Hello everybody, Jen from Scrapping Under the Influence. I'm here with kind of a mini haul from Country Craft Creations. So the other day I had done my haul of the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Winnie the Pooh paper. And when I was doing that, I realized I forgot Brad's and I wanted another card kit. So I ordered, of course, more black artisan because you can never have too much of that. I did go ahead and pick up the Brads, and they are super cute. And Simple Stories Brads are actually like sticky flat back if you've never used those before, and they always have some little chipboard pieces on there. I did pick up a second card kit so I can do one just as the cards, and the one I'm going to actually, as soon as I finish this, I'm going to show you how to turn these into like a little junk journal kind of thing. Okay. Then I realized, oh, and I ordered more of the big page pieces because, or the big bits, that is. And I realized, and I didn't realize, I don't think, they might not have been on there when I pre-ordered my Winnie the Pooh. Simple Stories has partnered with Spellbinders to do coordinating dies for some of their collections. I thought it was just going to be with the Say Cheese. I'm sorry, did I say Simple Vintage? I meant Say Cheese Classic Pooh. Sorry. It's been a long day. And I did see on one of the collections that's coming out here, I don't remember, in the next like month or so, that they did another set of dies, which is actually really cool. Spellbinders makes absolutely fabulous dies. Okay. So I did go ahead and order the dies. There are two that I didn't get. There's one that's just like some elements, like little banner pieces or label pieces, and there's an alphabet, which I don't. I've got a handful of alphabet dies, but they're not something I use a ton of. But check this out. This is a border die that will do this little silhouette of Christopher Robin and Rabbit and Pooh and Piglet and Tigger and Eeyore, and it is absolutely adorable. It is so cute, and it's set to where it'll cut. So this up here where you're seeing this edge against the white, that's what it's going to cut. This down here is just what they've used for the example. It's not going to cut the bottom like off. Okay. They've got the, and this is the Pooh and Friends silhouette die. Then we have Pooh and Piglet. So this one has Winnie the Pooh, and you can move his little arms any which way you want to. Same thing with Piglet. It's got some honey pots. It's got a little balloon for him and a flower, and it is super, super cute. And this one, since it is many pieces, the Spellbinders dies come like separated out, because you know how a lot of dies you have to, like, they're attached together and you have to snip them apart. The Spellbinders dies are all cut apart, so that's another nice thing about them. I got the Tigger and Eeyore as well, and again with Tigger you can move his little legs kind of however you want to. Eeyore is a solid piece, so you're not going to be able to pose his legs like you can with these guys, but he's still super cute. Eeyore is always cute. And then last but not least, I got Pooh's Honey Pot. And this is a slightly bigger one. This does do the honey pot. You've got your little honey drips. You've got the sign. It's just super cute. And like they've got on here, you can put your little Winnie the Pooh in the honey pot. So I will be doing something with these. I'm not sure what yet. Possibly some cards of my own, as instead of just doing the Simple Stories card kit. I haven't really decided yet, but I got more of the big bits because they're adorable. I got the second card kit and the Brads. So that's it. That's my mini haul, and I will be back soon with my junk journal kit using the Simple Stories card kits. And keep in mind, that is, when I show you this project, it is something you can do with any of these card kits. Okay, they're perfectly suited for it. It's super easy. So keep that in mind. I'm going to go work on that. I'll see you guys soon.